Om Guru Namaste, my dear 10th class students. In the last class, we have discussed about exam 1 up to 4th level. Okay? In today's class, we have to again discuss the remaining problems in exam 1 2. Okay? Take out your page number 289. Fifth problem. Okay? Fifth problem. Okay, now what is fifth problem? In a right angle triangle PQR. Okay? Right angle is a Q. Okay? So we have to draw one triangle PQR. Okay? Draw one triangle PQR. Right angle is a point Q. Okay? Now this is P. This is R, okay? Right angle is Q, okay? It's a point Q, okay? Now, okay, no, and PQ equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, PQ equal to 6 centimeters, okay? And then angle RPQ, RPQ means what? Angle P equal to 60 degrees, okay? Angle P equal to 50 degrees. Okay, now we have to find what? Determine the length of QR and PR, okay? Now, given, okay? Given, what is given that angle Q equal 90 degrees and Q equal 90 degrees, okay? Angle P equal to 50 degrees, angle RPQ equal to 50 degrees, and then PQ equal to 6 centimeters, okay? PQ equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, now we are to find QR and PR, okay? Now for angle, RPQ equal to 50 degrees, RPQ equal to 50 degrees, okay, RPQ equal to 50 degrees, tan P, okay, tan P equal to what? Tan P equal to tan 50 degrees, okay, tan P means what? Okay, why here the angle was given, okay, so for that purpose tan P equal to tan 60 degrees equal to what? Opposite by adjacent, okay, so opposite is equal to what? Opposite is equal to what? QR by PQ, okay, so that is nothing but tan 60 degrees equal to what? Root 3 equal to QR we don't know, so QR by PQ equal to 6 centimeters, okay, so 6, okay, now here after since tan 50 degrees equal to root 3, okay, now QR by 6 equal to QR by 6 equal to root 3. Okay? Okay, always the unknown value should be in the left hand side of the equation. Okay? So root 3 into what? Root 3 by 1. Okay, now do cross multiplication. Okay? So q1 into 1 equal to root 3 into 6. Okay? Root 3 into 6. Okay? So q1 into 1 equal to qr. Okay? Now qr equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. Okay? This is the value of qr. Okay? Now we have to find what? Now we have to find PR. Okay? Now write down same concept. For angle RPQ equal to 50 degrees. For angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees. Okay? Cos P. Why PQ is given order. Okay? With the help of PQ, I am finding the length of the arrangement PR. So PQ by PR means what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is nothing but cos theta. Okay? So cos 60 degrees equal to cos 60 degrees equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay? What is adjacent side by angle PQ? Okay? PQ by PR. Okay? PQ by PR. Okay? Now cos 60 is equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay? 1 by 2 equal to PQ is on PQ no 6. Okay? 1 by 2 equals 6 by PR. Okay? 160 by PR. Okay? Here we have to write since cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Okay? Cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2, which is obtained from our trigonometric table. Okay? 1 by 2. Okay? Now do cross multiplication. So 1 into PI equal to 6 into 2. Okay? So 1 into PR equals 6 into 2. 1 into PR equal to PR. Okay? PR equal to 6 to that 12 centimeters. Okay? 12 centimeters. Okay? This is the answer. Okay? Now what is to find determine the length of PQ and PR. Okay? Therefore the length of the LENGTHS length of QR and PR. 6 to 3 centimeters, 6 to 3 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. Okay, that is the conclusion. Okay, 12 centimeters. Okay, if we are this sentence, you can get half mark. Okay, for any problem, the conclusion can take half mark. So, half mark. So, what then we have to write the conclusion. Okay, after finding the okay. Now next problem. Next problem. Okay, next problem we can discuss. Okay, now these problems are very simple. Okay. The one thing is you have to remember the trigonometric table. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the next problem, that is sixth problem. Okay. Now sixth problem we are going to discuss. Okay. In triangle XYZ, right angle is HY. Okay. So we have to draw one triangle. Okay. In triangle XYZ. Okay. And right angle is the point Y. Okay. So this is X, this is Z. Okay, this is the triangle. Okay, right angle is the point Y. Okay, now again YZ equal to X. YZ equal to X. Length of the YZ is X. Okay, and XZ equal to X. XZ equal to 2x. Okay, z equal to x. Okay. Now, then determine angle yxz, angle yxz, and angle yzx. Angle yzx means with the help of this given data we have to find the angle x and angle z. Okay, that is our problem. Okay, now try to given and given what is given angle y equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now yz equal to x units. Okay, x units. Why? Because the dimension is not clear. So we have to consider x unit. Okay? Now x unit and x is equal to 2x units. Okay? 2x units. Okay? Units. Okay, now we have to find the value of angle x and angle z. Okay, now for angle yxz, for angle yxz, okay, for angle y x means what for angle x, what is given, opposite side is given. Okay, and hypotenuse side is given. So opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but sin theta. Okay, so for angle y x sin theta, sin x equal to opposite side. What is opposite side of angle x? yz. yz by what is hypotenuse x? Okay, x. Okay. Now sin x equal to substitute yz and x. So yz equal to x. So yz equal to x. X by x equal to 2x. Okay. So x by 2x. X by 2x. Okay. X get cancel. X1 x1. So what is remaining? Sin x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 means what? Sin 30. Okay, going to it trigonometric table values. Okay, so sin x equal to sin 30. Okay, sin x equal to sin 30 degrees. Okay, sin 30 degrees. Okay, since sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, now sin equal to sin 30 means what? X equal to 30 degrees. Oh, so sin theta 1 equal to theta 2. Then automatically theta 1 equal to theta 2. Means what? So sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2. Then theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay? That concept we are using here. So according to that concept, angle x equal to 30 degrees. Okay? Now, write down. So angle x equal to 30 degrees. Okay, how? Write down in bracket. If sin theta 1 equal sin theta 2, sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2, okay, sin theta 2, then theta 1 equal to theta 2, okay, theta 1 equal to theta 2, okay. Now we have tried this in this region. So angle x equal to 30 degrees. Now angle x equal to what? Angle y x. Okay, so representing same angle, but you know way of writing is different. Okay, both are same. So therefore angle y x is equal to 30 degrees. Angle y x is equal to angle y x equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Now this is the angle y x. Okay. Next, what you have to find angle x meter. Oh, what you have to find angle y z. Okay, angle y z x into what? Angle z y we have to find. Okay. Now for angle y z x. For angle y z x, tangent cos z. Why here for angle z, y z theta, adjacent and x z theta, hypotenuse. Okay. Now write how adjacent and hypotenuse are given. So we have to say adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse equal to nothing but cos theta. So we have to take cos z. Okay, cos z. Okay, cos z. Okay, equal to cos z equal to yz by xz. Okay, yz by xz. Okay, so cos z equal to cos z equal to what? Y z equal to x by 2x. Okay, x by 2x. Okay, now x get cancel. Okay, so cos z equal to 1 by 2. Okay, cos z equal 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? Cos 60. Yes or no? In trigonometry table, 1 by 2 represents cos 60. Why cos 60? Because here cos function is available. Okay, so that's why cos z equal cos 60. Okay, now cos z equal to cos 60 degrees. Okay, cos 50 degrees. Okay, now here we have to write since cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees equal to cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. So cos z equal to cos 60. Then angle z equal to 60 degrees. Okay, same concept. If cos theta 1 equal cos theta, then theta 1 equal theta 2. Then we have to write here. Okay. If cos theta 1 equal to cos theta 1 equal cos theta 2, if cos theta 1 equal to cos theta 1 equal cos theta 2, cos theta 2, then theta 1 equal theta 2. Okay, theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay, so if cos theta 1 equal cos theta 2, then theta 1 equal theta 2. So angle z equal 60 degrees. Angle z means what? Angle y is x. Okay. Okay. Angle z means what? Angle y is x. Okay. Both represent the same angle. Okay. Now both represent the same angle. So therefore angle y z x equal to angle y z x equal to 50 degrees. Okay, this is the value of angle z. Okay. Okay, now what to write the values of the values of the values of angle yz, angle yz, angle yz, and angle yz equal to angle yzx or 30 degrees and 30 degrees and 50 degrees. Okay, this is your sixth problem. Okay, now we are going to discuss the last problem, that is seventh problem, exercise 7.2. Okay, now we can discuss. I hope we are understood very easy. Only one thing that you have to remind the trigonometric table every minute and every second. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, if you remember the trigonometric table, then it will be very easy. Okay, now let us discuss the next problem. Okay, now let us discuss the last problem is exercise 7.2. Okay, now what is 7.2? Last problem, that is 7th problem is a question. It is right to say that the sin of A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay, justify your answer. Okay, now what you have to say that it is right answer. Sin of A plus B sin of A plus B is equal to sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. Okay, sin A plus sin B. Okay, now this is your 7th problem. Okay, you have to verify this equation is correct or wrong. Okay, here no values are given in the question, so let us take our own values. Okay, with the help of examples only, we can say it is, you can say that the given equation is right or wrong. Okay, let A equal to 50 degrees. Okay, and B equal to 30 degrees. Okay, okay, now take your HS value. Okay, now find out A plus B equal to okay, find out A plus B equal to substitute the values. Okay, find out 50 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay, find out 50 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay, now sin of 50 by 30 equal to what? What is 50 by 30 we have to do? According to both consoles. Okay, we have a bracket over of D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, F for subtraction. So according to the both more rule, we have to by applying the both more rule, we have to simplify the type of problem in a sequence, step by step. Okay. Now it is mentioned in the bracket that we have to simplify. 50 by 30 equal to what? 90. So equal to sin 90 degrees. Okay, sin 90 degrees. Okay, sin 90 degrees. Okay. Now 90 came now. Now we have to apply the sin trigonometric equal to obtain the angle. Okay. Sin 90. Sin 90 equal to what? 1. Okay. Sin 90 equal to 1. Okay. Now sin 90 equal to 1. Therefore sin of A is equal to sin of A plus B equal to 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, now take R this side. Okay, that is nothing but sin A plus sin B. Okay, sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. Okay, sin A plus sin B equal to sin A plus sin B equal to what? Sin A equal to what? 60 degrees. B equal to 30 degrees. So substitute. So sin 60 degrees plus sin 60 degrees plus sin 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. Okay? Sin 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. Okay? So sin 60 equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Okay, individually. Root 3 by 2. Okay? Plus sin 30 equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay? 1 by 2. Okay, now denominators are same. So numerators can be added directly without taking the ACM value. Okay? That is nothing but ACM is 2 root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. Okay? Therefore, sin A plus sin B equal to 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 root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is equation number 2. Okay? Now equation 1 and the both we can add the values are not equal. Okay? So these both are not equal. Okay? Now equation 1 and 2 we get equation 1 and 2 we get equation 1 and 2 we get 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we get 1 and 2 we get sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B equal to is not equal to not equal to sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. Okay? Sin A plus sin B. Okay? This is your problem. So communication is 1 and 2 because 1 is not equal to 3 plus 1 by 2. Yes or no? So according to this concept, sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay? Then what you have to find a conclusion? Okay, this is the overall conclusion of the answer question. Okay? Now we have to write what? Okay? Now we have to write therefore it is not right to say that it is not right to not right to okay, therefore it is not right to say that sin of A plus B equal to sin of A plus B equal to sin of A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay? Sin A plus sin B. Okay? Here not it is not given now, so it should not give it. It should not give not equal. Okay? Not only got equal but also okay? So it is not right to say that sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay? In this way you have to write a final conclusion. Okay? This is your exercise 11.2. Next concept you can discuss in next class. Okay? Thank you.